Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily in just few simple steps. Okay, first open your Instagram app, then tap your profile, then tap three lines, then tap Accounts Center, then tap Manage Accounts, then tap Manage next to your Instagram profile, then tap Deactivation or Deletion. As you can see here, we have deactivate account option is selected by default, okay? Tap continue, then enter your password, then hit continue. In this page, Instagram asks you why do you want to deactivate your account. Simply select one of these options, then hit continue. Then tap deactivate account. And like that, you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video, bye.